Experience the evolution of wellness with the BioSense Ring, the ultimate health companion designed to seamlessly track your well-being day and night. The BioSense Ring comes in a compact, sleek white box, offering essential details like the serial number, device Bluetooth, MAC address, and ring size. Scan the QR code for more product insights. Wellness monitoring wrapped around your finger, weighing just 3 grams. The BioSense Ring is light, durable, and built for comfort. Compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 12.0 or above, it ensures seamless integration with your favorite devices. At just 3 grams and less than 3 millimeters thick, the BioSense Ring fits into your life effortlessly. The ring is made of titanium alloy and features a silkscreen texture, hypoallergenic resin, and a sensor area. Charging the BioSense Ring is easy. Align the middle of Ring Vyvo logo with the designated spot on the base, and the green LED light will flash intermittently to indicate proper alignment. Fully charged in just 2 hours, the light remains steady when complete. The ring's battery lasts an impressive 7 to 10 days. See your progress in the Vyvo Smart app. Download the Vyvo Smart app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Follow the simple on-screen steps to register and connect to your ring. The app automatically calibrates and syncs local time, ensuring you're ready to go. Vital Insights seamless tracking. Experience the ultimate convenience in health monitoring. Effortlessly keep a precise digital track of your vitals. The BioSense Ring offers a comprehensive range of health monitoring features, from continuous heart rate tracking every 10 minutes to breath rate and energy level monitoring. Each insight is designed to help you live healthier every day. Discover the advanced features of the ring, designed to keep you informed about your health and wellness effortlessly. Activity, monitor your steps, calories burned, and distance. Stress, keep track of your stress levels and maintain a balanced lifestyle. SpO2, get real-time insights into your blood oxygen levels for optimal health. Blood pressure, after the first connection, calibrate the device by entering systolic and diastolic measurements from a blood pressure cuff. Recalibrate every 4 weeks for optimal performance. Good sleep is the foundation of great health. The BioSense Ring analyzes every phase of your sleep, including REM and disturbances, giving you the data to wake up refreshed and informed. With continuous monitoring of heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels, the BioSense Ring empowers you with real-time health insights, allowing you to take proactive steps to improve your well-being. Built to withstand the elements, the BioSense Ring is IP68 waterproof, ensuring it performs flawlessly in all your daily activities. Handle with care to maintain peak performance. Syncing your data is effortless. Navigate to the data page in the app. Press and pull down to transfer data from the ring to your app. BioSense Ring protects the personal data it captures from you through a powerful and proprietary VSC proof of sensing encryption chip. Using blockchain technology, this chip verifies and validates the origin and generation of health and wellness. Furthermore, as a proof of sensing device, BioSense Ring rewards you with crypto as it gathers your health data. Download the InPersona app and create an account. Visit our store at m.inpersona.com in the app and purchase a data NFT. Once you have your data NFT, bind your BioSense Ring to it and you are ready to mine VDB. Experience the ultimate convenience in health monitoring with the BioSense Ring. Track your wellness, improve your health, and embrace the future of innovation. Visit shop.vyvo.com to get started and take the first step towards a healthier, more informed you. Stylish, elegant, advanced, and totally Vyvo.